The Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA), consisting of the UDP and the HSP-DP, agreed to fight the Lok Sabha election and the District Council elections together. Speaking to the media after the meeting yesterday evening, UDP President Medba Lyngdoh informed that they have decided to co-opt 6 members from the UDP and 5 from the HSP-DP in the RDA. With regards to the upcoming Lok Sabha election, Lyngdoh said that a meeting will be held soon to finalize the common candidate, adding that the RDA will be contesting the upcoming MDC elections as a united front.
After the nomination of the chairman, co-chairman, secretary and assistant secretary, we decided to co-opt a few more members, 6 members from UDP and 5 members from the HSPDP. And today we again sat and informed in the RDA from the HSPDP side, where they have co-op and nominate a few names. Those 5 members as the co-op members of the HSPDP.